Good morning. It is 4:30 in the morning and I'm about to leave for the airport to begin my travel to Cancun. I have a layover. Oh my god, Cancun. I have a layover in Dallas first, and then I'll be getting to Cancun hopefully by like 4 p.m. today. I'm talking in a really quiet voice because I'm actually at my parents' house. The worst part is having to say goodbye to Weedy for a few days. It's cold. Okay, let's go.
Many hours later.
I just got to my room in Cancun. Let's do a little bit of a tour. You walk in and this is the bathroom. What's cool is that apparently you can like sync your music. So that's giving, like, to play while you're showering. We love that. Super cute. They gave me a room with 2 queen beds, even though I am the only one, but it's fine. Still really cute. Little TV, desk moment, couch. But my favorite part, which I should have freaking bought bug spray or like lavender oil. I totally didn't realize, but I'm on the East Coast and it's humid here. So obviously, here is my view. Here's a little day bed for tanning. And then my favorite part, literally, I literally want to cry. A hot tub outside, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Beautiful, stunning. Just threw on a little bit of makeup to make myself like look and feel more presentable after literally almost 12 hours of traveling. I'm being dramatic. It was more like maybe like 8 to 10. I'm going down to meet some friends at the bar area now, so this should be exciting. I think we're gonna like eat. I don't really know what's gonna happen, but I'm excited to see everybody, meet everybody, and just get on vacation mode. So let's go. Okay, I am back in my room. We went to dinner, we had some drinks, got some ice cream, and then the rest of the group kind of wanted to go out and like rally, but I'm so tired. Like I said, I've been up since like 4. So what I'm doing instead is running the hot tub, and I think I'm just gonna chill out here because honestly, you know me, I love a good bath. So my night is just going to be in the hot tub, just relaxing on my balcony and then showering, going to bed, because tomorrow we're going to be out all day in the sun drinking, and then we have rehearsal dinner tomorrow night, and then Friday's obviously the wedding. I have to start glamming at 10 because I'm in the bridal party, so it's going to be a busy couple of days, but very exciting. So yeah, I don't know how much else I'm going to film tonight, so good night. See you tomorrow. Morning. It is day 2. It is currently like 9 a.m. My hair, I need to fix it. I have like dry shampoo in. Got up, got dressed. I put on a swimsuit because Destiny was like, oh, we're gonna go to the day beds today and just chill. So I'm waiting for her to text me when she's awake so we can like all go down together. But for the meantime, I just kind of want to walk around, and I need to go to the gift shop to get a couple of things. One, I need to get bug spray or like freaking lavender oil or some sort of repellent, because I literally did not realize that it would be humid here, which obviously does. It's like the East Coast, and it's, you know, obviously hotter and humid, and the staff here is like, oh yeah, mosquitoes are kind of rampant, and I'm like, great, I'm very prone to mosquito bites, and had I known, I would have obviously brought like my little spray and lavender oil I had at home, but you know, it's fine. I'll just go down to the gift shop and get some. And then I also, oh, excuse me, if you know me, you know that every time I travel, I have to get a shot glass. So I'm very excited. I'm gonna go get a shot glass as well downstairs. So I figure like if people are still sleeping, it's totally chill, because I didn't go out last night. I was so tired from traveling that I just came home, took a bath, jacuzzi outside, and then went to bed, showered, went to bed. And so today, obviously, we have rehearsal dinner at 6 that I need to start getting ready for, like probably around 3 or 4, to be honest, because like glam and you know, we're gonna like shower and stuff and do my hair. So I have to get ready for that. That's like on the bill for later. And then if we're feeling down, like maybe we can go out thereafter, because I'll already be like dressed and everything. But anyway, as I was saying, I'm totally down to just kind of walk around and then maybe like read on my patio a little bit and just kind of explore the grounds. This is a huge resort. Technically we're staying at one resort, Dreams, and then there's like Secrets, which is like the adults only version, but we can like go back and forth. We have access to both. So yeah, so let's go. I'm excited. Okay, just got back from the gift shop, so let's do a mini haul. It's literally 2 things. This bag is actually very like high quality. Of course, I had to get a shot glass. There weren't as many like options as I was anticipating. I don't know why I was anticipating there to be like way more, but they were all cute. A lot of them had to do with like ruins. Like they had designs that resemble like the ruins here and just kind of like that aspect of the culture here, which is super cool. But what I've learned throughout my history of buying shot glasses is that unfortunately sometimes like printed shot glasses, like ones with like designs and prints on them, like fade really badly when you wash them and they peel and stuff, so it's a hot mess. But I opted for this guy right here. This is so cool. It's like a frosted little like skull. It says CANCUN. How cool is that? And there's like a little like green like accent at the bottom. They were like different colors, but this was so cute. This was $12 US, and in pesos that's 228. And then the most expensive aspect but much needed was this bug spray that I got, that I actually I like this style of bug spray where it's like a more natural side. This was $18, but it's worth it because I can always use this back at home and I can travel with this. Anyway, it's got citronella, so I am just going to be here spraying myself because I do not want more bite marks than I already have in my photos or just in general, because I'm very prone to bug bites. So I will be here. And then I haven't decided yet if I'm just gonna chill in the room or go get breakfast. I feel like I should go get breakfast and take advantage. Putting this all over me. So that's what I'll be doing. See you later. Cheers! Cheers! Okay, it has been a few hours since I've spoken to you, but we just hung out at the beach. You guys saw some clips. I went swimming in the ocean. It was so nice, so warm. That's why I look like this. But it is currently like 3:30. I have to be ready by like 5:36 for the rehearsal dinner, so I need a shower, do my hair, glam. It's pretty ambitious, honestly, 2 hours for like my hair to like dry and stuff in time. But anyway, I know it looks like a hot mess. But I stopped by this little like to-go like sandwich and wrap place, and I got myself like a little poke bowl, so it should be giving. The weather surprisingly turned out to be pretty nice. I mean, there are like clouds, like right now it's like cloudy, but not as bad as like what the weather was forecasting. Like it didn't rain on us at all when we were outside, despite it saying like, oh, there's gonna be like 30% of the area in rain, so maybe we just got lucky. And I just realized now, I hope I don't have too much of like a tan line, because my bridesmaid's dress is like off the shoulder, so my entire top will be exposed. And there's nothing worse, I mean dramatic, but there's nothing worse than like visible like swimsuit tan lines. I don't know, I feel like my hair also kind of looks lighter in the sun now, even though I toned it darker. But anyway, I am going to eat, and then I'm going to get myself together. I'll come back when I look much more presentable for dinner tonight, because I like my outfit. I just got my dress in from Opoly, and then I'm gonna, oh my god, my door didn't close all the way. And then I'm gonna do glam and my hair, and hopefully it'll be getting. So talk to you in a bit. Significantly more put together. I am wearing an Opoly dress, a ruche dress that I got in, and I ordered specifically for this, and I love it. Glam, just, I used a bunch of products. And earrings are from Amazon. I don't know where this is from exactly, but I'm also gonna be bringing this little like pashmina black scarf thing, just to kind of like drape around my shoulders in case it gets cold, because it's a little bit windy outside right now and it's subject to like drizzle a little bit, and I think we're gonna be outside for some of it. I'm not exactly sure, but regardless, I just want to kind of be prepared. But yeah, this is the outfit. I'm excited, and I'm looking forward to a great night. We have this whole restaurant to ourselves.
My door lock just broke, so I'm waiting for somebody to repair my door lock.
The next day.
Good morning. You'll probably see me in this outfit tomorrow, because I have to go to the bridal suite to go start getting ready. It's like 10:30 in the morning. I woke up like maybe 2 hours ago, but I am so hungover. But yeah, it's like early and we have to start getting ready. My hair appointment's at 12. I came home last night and I took out my contacts apparently, and I don't know where one of them is, but the other one I like put in the contact case and didn't put solution in. So thank God I brought another pair of contacts. That is a big lesson. If you wear contacts and you're going on a trip and you're going to be drinking and you're going to be, you know, out late and tired, always bring an extra pair of contacts, even if you don't do those things, but just, you know, in case you lose one or whatever. Yeah. Key.
Clip is missing on it. But how does it feel? Does it feel fine?
Yeah, it feels
all
fine.
zipped up.
Can you tell that? Like,
No,
is
you
the
can't
clip
see
just
it.
like hanging there?
No.
Stunning.
Not at all.
Stunning.
Well, that was so pretty. Yeah.
Several hours later, I'm sorry, I did not film that much today. I was honestly recovering from my hangover, but I am back in my room. This is the dress. I don't think I've shown you the dress. Here, I'll show you a little dress moment. Okay, this is the dress. I actually super loved it. It was a little bit long, obviously, and I was wearing heels, but still it was kind of dragging. And the ceremony was like outside and it was windy and rainy. So it was kind of like dragging a bit and it was a little bit wet, but it was fun. The wedding was really fun. I chose to stay because honestly, I just wanted to chill and relax and have like a good night rest before I travel tomorrow. And I'm getting a massage in the morning, which should be really good. Hopefully it'll give. And then honestly, I thought maybe I'll just get in the jacuzzi. I don't know, or just, I want to just relax. It's been a long day. And yeah, so I will talk to you tomorrow probably. This is the real after party. Room service nachos and some water. Very exciting. Good morning. I just woke up and it's 9 a.m. Well, I didn't just wake up, but I just got up. It's 9 a.m. Oh my God, I look rough. Why do I look like this? My voice is like kind of shot as well. But it's my last morning here. Today, the weather is supposed to be really, really nice, really sunny all day. Cause you know, as they say, it's like the sun, the calm after the storm, and yesterday was a storm for sure. But I have to leave here at like 1:30. I'm gonna get a massage at like 10:30, but I think I'm gonna go down a little bit earlier and use the steam room, just relax. And then what I think I want to do today is just walk around. There's like a dolphin exhibit I want to see. Maybe I'll like lay out for a little bit. Also, it was so cute. Like the two of the bridesmaids said like I was their favorite bridesmaid because we all hadn't like met each other. Some of us had met each other before, but I hadn't met any of the girls before, but I knew pretty much of all of them. But they were all so sweet, so fun, so kind, so welcoming. I had a really, really good time with them. But yeah, they were all giving for sure. But anywho, I'm gonna go start my day and I'll obviously show you, you know, where it takes me.
3 hours later.
The massage was amazing. I definitely had like quite a few knots in my back that she was like really working to get out. I'm not complaining, it was what I needed. Now it's about 11:30. I have to check out at noon, so I'm gonna finish packing up my room. And then what I'm thinking is, since I'm already in my swimsuit, I am going to go down to the pool, grab like a lunch, and then just chill by the pool, maybe read a little bit, and then I kind of want to walk over to the dolphin aquarium. I'm not sure if that's gonna happen, but we'll see. But yeah, the weather's so nice today. It's so sad I'm leaving, but excited to get back home and get back into the swing of things.
A few hours later.
Okay, so I got to the airport like 6 hours early because the shuttle, we're only gonna take you at a certain time. So we've been here for 6 hours. Our flight keeps getting delayed. Stay tuned.